Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup's 3D Christmas Advent Calendar with me, Father Printmas. Today we've got a very special Christmas print. It is this wonderful 3D printed cookie cutter by OogiMe, which is OOGIME. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure it's very, very festive. It prints in about 2 hours on regular settings, and it makes very, very nice Christmas cookie cutouts. Allow me to demonstrate some which Mrs. Claus made earlier. Don't they look delicious? And they're all in these wonderful Christmas stocking shapes. It's called a Christmas sock cookie cutter, and you can find it on Thingiverse. Let's give one of these a try, shall we? Oh, they do look delicious. Just made them out of Play-Doh. Oh God, they taste like salt. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a happy Printmas. Oh God, I'm going to throw up.